Hello class, this is Dr. Valenzuela. Welcome to Math 101. This is week 1. And as you get started, remember to review my weekly announcements. I always have a video on how to get started in the week. And this video here is really important because you'll want to take a look at that video and see where to get started. I also will cover the assignments in this video in as much detail as possible. And so always make sure that you start the week by reviewing, watch this video to get started in the week. And the link will be down here. So make sure you watch that completely every week. You'll see that we have the Welcome Start Here button, your weeks button, the Alex Math button here. Your homework and assignments are going to be in the Alex Math link here. This will be get you to the weeks folder, all the weeks folders. Now the weeks will open up from the beginning of the start of the week, so you won't be able to see every folder, or at least you might see them, but they won't open up. The Welcome Start Here button. And now for the Welcome Start Here, you'll see I'll include my faculty information here. And for the weeks folder, I do want to show you week 1. And we're going to cover whole numbers, integers. You're going to click on this link here. And make sure you check out the Well Connect information. You can download these PDFs here. This will be the link or the information to log into Well Connect, which is a great resource. So make sure you take a look at that. Make sure you also review the Alex Math information. This information here will show you how, if you download this document, it'll show you how to register for Alex. This link here, or this document, will show you how we use Alex in Math 101. Here's a orientation PDF that you'll want to look at. And this document will help you understand how to access the ebook at Alex. Remember, the Alex Math link is here on the left. Okay, so but make sure you look at these documents here before you actually get to Alex Math. Specifically, you'll want to make sure that you register for Alex Math and by reading this document. The icebreaker discussion is here. Now you'll want to introduce yourself, okay, to everybody in the class. And recall a time, also talk about recall a time when you use math to solve a problem, either at work or in your own life. Okay, and to get there, you'll want to click on this link and create post. Remember to include, I always like students to put their first and last name in the subject. It makes it a little easy for us to see who the post is from, and you'll write your post in here. Notice that you can also, if you want, as you're typing, hello, my name is Dr. Valenzuela. Anyways, one thing to note that you can use all these different features here. There's what I like to have is all my students use Arial 10 point is fine. Don't use big font, just Arial 10 point is fine. Black font. We do have the different features here that you can use. Okay. Now, if you click on this little button, oops, that menu goes away, that bottom menu. And if you click this plus sign here, you can insert a file from your computer, which is, let's say you have an image you want to insert. You can click this document here, and there's some additional tools. But if you want to insert an image, you would click this Insert Local Files, which means you're going to insert a file from your computer. And when you're done with your post, Okay, you hit submit. I'm just going to cancel out of this. And I'm going to go back one more. There we go. I'm going to go back one more. And notice one of the things that I'm going to do is just going to go to weeks. I clicked on weeks, and I'm going to go back to week 1. Okay, so that's the icebreaker. Now, one of the things that I wanted to talk about is this student resources button here. And what you'll see is that we have rubrics. So you'll want to make sure that you read these rubrics. All level discussion rubric. Okay, so for your discussion, this is important to take a look at. And it's how you're going to be graded. So you'll be graded on the initial post and then replies. So remember, you have to reply to 3 posts during the discussion week. Okay, you can reply to me, reply to a couple of classmates, and you want to be in discussion 3 different days during the discussion week. Okay, make sure you double check your posts so there's no grammar or punctuation errors. And then in here, student resources, you're going to find the reflection rubric as well that you'll want to take a look at. Okay, let's go back to weeks. I'm going to go back to week 1. Okay. This is the introductory documents quiz. You're going to do this by first reviewing the supplemental syllabus, and you want to make sure that you take a look at the supplemental syllabus, and you'll find the supplemental syllabus in the Welcome Start Here button, this button right here. Okay. And just make sure you look at all the documents within the Welcome Start Here section, but mainly the supplemental syllabus is a key one that you want to take a look at. And it's perfectly okay to have this quiz open while you look at those documents. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure you complete the documents quiz before you submit it. Now, you're going to complete a project, okay? And you're going to complete parts of your graphing project through this course, and in a separate video I will cover the project. Okay, but here's the directions and here's the different options for the project. But in a separate video, I'll cover the project itself. Okay, so that's week 1. So by clicking on the week 1 folder, in the weeks button, you'll see all the different assignments that are due this week. And I want to welcome all of you. I'm so grateful to have you as students, and I look forward to working with you. This is Dr. Valenzuela. Have a great week 1. Thank you.